Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm back outside today. I wanted to show you guys some of the spur types and my favorite kind of spurs from these birds, from these dinosaurs. So most birds got the single spur like this. There you go. This guy's pretty nice. This is a 9-pound bird. 9-pound dinosaur right here. Alright. But my favorite. Come here. Come here, dude. Oi. But my favorite, check out this guy's feet. He's got two spurs. The third one, the short one right there. These are obviously way too long. I'm gonna trim them in a bit. But you got one here, two here. These are called, I think I heard some people call them dumb spurs, but I don't know. They're like 2 or 3 spurs. And the back of the feet right here, if you can see it, it's a super hard bump. This dinosaur is 10 pounds right here. This raptor, he's huge, tall. This guy over here. Actually, I think this is what they call dumb spur, where it doesn't come out. This bird is about 2 years old. You can see he's got no spurs at all, or it looks like he has no spurs. Nothing sticks out. Yep, nothing sticking out. But if you look closely, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. On this leg, he's actually got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the big bump at the bottom. And these are my favorite kind of spurs on these things. Yeah, kind of hard to get, hard to breed, but I love them. It's unique, it's different. Those long, skinny ones, they always break. But these ones, oh man, solid. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite spur type? Do you like just the normal ones, or you like something crazy like this guy? Alright, subscribe. Peace.